Alright YouTube, Engineer Boy 100. It's time for another oil change. And this time we're going to go ahead and demo the Eastwood ramps. My car is a lowered vehicle and is about 3.5 inches from the ground. Okay, now that we're done with the oil change, we'll give a quick review of these awesome Eastwood ramps. Okay, their total length is 52.5 inches from here to here, here to here, and the height where the wheels rest is 6.5 inches from here to here, and the length of the ramp itself is 36 inches from here to here. And these awesome ramps, once you have your car on top, come loose. So the clearance underneath is about 18 inches, and I'll show you what it looks like with me fitting up underneath there. Storage is really simple. I just hang them on the wall on these two screws. Got these screws screwed into the studs, and I just hang them on the wall because they're really light. And other than that, they look really nice. Thanks for watching.